First, close the Discord application completely. Go down to your taskbar, and if Discord is running there, right-click the icon and select Quit Discord. Make sure the app is fully closed before continuing. Next, open your web browser and in the address bar type vencord.dev. This is a free extension for Discord that allows you to send voice messages. Once you're on the site, click the Download Vencord button. Now choose your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'll click Windows, then select Download Vencord Installer. After it finishes downloading, open the installer file. On the left side, click Install. The installation only takes a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see a message confirming it's successfully patched. Click OK. Now open the Discord application again. Once Discord is open, click User Settings in the bottom left corner. On the left side, you'll now see a new section called Vencord. Click on Plugins. In the search bar, type Voice and scroll down until you see Voice Messages. By default, this feature is turned off, so go ahead and switch it on. Now close the settings window and go to the conversation or server where you want to send the voice message. To send one, click the plus icon next to the message bar. You'll now see an option that says Send Voice Message. You can either start a new recording or upload an existing recording from your computer. To record a new message, click Start Recording, speak into your microphone, and when you're done, click Stop Recording. You can play it back to review your message, and you can even adjust the volume if needed. Once you're happy with the recording, click Send. That's it.